So whenever you're given a composite function or a function inside of a function, like h of x is inside of g, and you're asked to find the derivative, you need to use the chain rule. Now the chain rule states that we take the derivative of the function on the outside, so g prime, times the inside left alone, times h, all times the derivative of the inside, so h prime. Now with that in mind, let's try the first one of 4 examples we have for today. So problem 1 says that f of x is equal to x squared plus 3 to the power of 5. The function on the inside is the x squared plus 3, and the function on the outside is to the power of 5. So using the product rule and the chain rule, first we need to bring the 5 out in front. So f prime of x, or the derivative of this function, is going to be equal to 5 times the inside left alone. Let me remove that x. 5 times x squared plus 3, and then 5 minus 1 is 4, the power rule, all times the derivative of the inside. Now the derivative of x squared plus 3 is simply 2x. And then we can simplify this. We can multiply the 5 and the 2x together. So the derivative is equal to 10x times x squared plus 3 to the power of 4. Let's try our second problem. Problem 2 here is f of x is equal to sine x cubed. So our outside function is sine, and our inside function is the x cubed. So first we need to find the derivative of the outside. So f prime of x here is going to be equal to cosine, which is the derivative of the sine, and then we need to multiply that by the inside left alone, cosine x cubed, all times the derivative of the inside. Now the derivative of x cubed, knowing the power rule, is going to be 2x squared, or 3x squared, sorry. And that's our derivative. Let's try the third example. So problem here states that f of x is equal to e to the 2x plus 1. So e is going to be our outside function, and then 2x plus 1 is going to be our inside function. So from here, we need to first find the derivative of the outside and then multiply it by the inside left alone. So f prime of x, or the derivative, is going to be equal to e to the 2x plus 1. And then the derivative of the inside, or the derivative of 2x plus 1, is simply 2. E to the 2x plus 1 times 2. And that's our derivative. And then let's try one last problem. Problem 4, f of x is equal to ln to the 5x squared plus 4. So here our outside function is that ln, and then our inside function is the 5x squared plus 4. So from here, to find the derivative, we need to take the derivative of the outside, which is going to be 1 over, and then put the function on the inside, 5x squared plus 4. And then we need to multiply this by the derivative on the inside. So the derivative of 5x squared plus 4 is simply 10x. And then we can simplify this out. So f prime of x is going to be equal to 10x over 5x squared plus 4. And that's our derivative. So remember, whenever you're given a composite function, you need to take the derivative of the outside, multiply it by the inside left alone, and then multiply all of that by the derivative on the inside. I hope this video helped. Thank you.